What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something a bit different. We are in the country of Cyprus, that's near like Lebanon and Greece, and we are on some mountainous back roads in a Honda Fit. I thought I'd never say this, but we are. It's a beautiful day out, 32 Celsius, that's probably like maybe 80 something degrees, 90 something, I'm not sure. But I'm just gonna drive and you guys watch. We're currently on the way to a monastery to the northwest of Cyprus, right below the Turkish border, because we don't like Turkey. Now, I'm not going to drive this car too hard because, again, it is a Honda Fit and it probably has like 120 horsepower. So I'm just going to enjoy the roads as much as possible. It does have a limited slip differential, that's great, so it'll grip pretty well around the corners. So that's what makes it fun. You don't really need to drive fast to have fun. And as you can tell, I'm full throttled. It's not a quick car. Pretty sure we're gonna catch up to the car ahead of us. Now, as you can see, these are pine trees, tons of them. Like if you go out, park on the side of the road and go out, and you can actually smell the pine in the air. It's loaded with them here. Maybe in a couple turns I'll park on the side of the road and I'm gonna go show you guys some of the view that I can get from like one of the side pillars. My Civic SI would be a phenomenal car here, or any like medium powered car. Now, I'm not sure how long the battery is going to last on this GoPro because I didn't charge it at all. It said 23%, so maybe we'll try to get a 8-minute video or something. We'll see. Yeah, right now it's at 17, so we should be able to get something done. In these mountains, there's really no wildlife that would really get in the way of you driving. Like there's no deers, there's not really any big animals you can come across. I'm gonna go show you guys an example of where we are, and then we'll get back to driving. Oh my god. Yes, it's very peaceful, very nice. Yeah. Okay, now we go back. I sound like an old man. I'm turning into a dad. I'm literally full throttled right now. It's not even funny. him. Oh, great. Okay, he's moving out the way. I think we're going this way, right? Yeah. Okay, the battery's running a bit low, so we'll try to... Oh my god, this is full throttle. You know, I do have to say the brakes handle very well for this tiny car. It gets the job done, and it has nice feedback through the steering wheel. Since the tires are so tiny, it's 115 diameter. It's crazy. They're so tiny, yet it handles so well. Oh. Now, I've never been on these roads before, so that's why I'm not really like full sending it. I'm not really comfortable. Now I think we're descending down. Yes, we are. Descending. Perfect. Brake. Full throttle again. Oh my god. This is a CVT, so it's sort of a slow transmission. It doesn't really have a real transmission. It's just imitating gears. Hence it never like shifts. It just like stays up high in the RPM. This is actually the first time I drive on the left side with a right-hand drive car. So first few days I had to get adjusted, but after that I was fine. Oh, we got some understeer over there. The tires are getting a bit warm. Now, these tires, I don't know which tires these are, so I don't know, there were some kind of Chinese off-brand Michelins or something. We'll see. But this car has been a beast overall. Like, I've been going off-roading, you know, rallying it, going over like rocks. It's been a beast. Go this way. We're gonna end the video soon once the battery hits like about 2%, because I want it to save normally. What is this music? That's so... Oh yeah, look at that. Alright guys, this has been a short and sweet video of, or obviously, you know, just enjoying the country. It's been beautiful. You can see the sea over there. It's a very nice country. We're obviously this Honda has been amazing. Yeah, if you have any like questions or anything, just comment, like, subscribe. Yeah, we'll see you guys shortly soon in the next video. Peace.